Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 66 registered Volkswagen Golf GTD DSG. Yes, this is the superb automatic DSG gearbox mated to the 2-litre turbo diesel super fuel efficient engine. Now the car's finished in the pure white and it is an absolutely wonderful car throughout. Very similar to that of the Golf GTI, but this has the diesel engine. So looking at the pure white paintwork, that is finished in exceptional order, and as you can see there in this wonderful summer sunshine, does just look fantastic. I'm sure you'll agree. Now this particular model has a lot of nice features which I'll show you around. So to start with, we're sat on these great bi-colour alloy wheels, and they are 18 inches and they're in great order. The person who owned this car was very fastidious, and as you can see as we go round it. Now we've got the parking sensors on the front and also on the rear, and we've got then the LED style signature lights. They also have headlamp wash, but from every angle this car is great. So you've got the side skirts down there on the GTD, which straight away, but looking down the passenger side, it's free from any dents or any real marks. We've got the GTD in the wings there on the power blade, and then in the rear of the vehicle, looking, I put the windows down because it's so warm in there today, we've got the privacy glass in the rear as well, so it really does have a presence from the outside. Now coming round to the rear, we've got the twin pipe chrome exhaust system there, and then again the parking sensors on the rear. Opening the boot, you are then got your parcel shelf, we've got a set of tailored mats, and then underneath there we've got the space saving spare wheel. 12-volt power socket in there as well. But again, looking at the car, there's nothing really I can sort of would detract from the outright purchase of it. It is an absolutely wonderful example. Again, look at the passenger driver's side rear wheel. All the wheels are in as you would expect or want. They are a bi-metal wheel, so they do suffer from corrosion, but these have really been maintained to the highest of standards. Looking down the driver's side, that mirrors the passenger and is free from dent or really any marks. So there's the glass up in the privacy glass there, keeps the car nice and cool. We've got the SAT NAV aerial, which is in nice black as well, giving that white on black exterior look. Now inside, this is where I really like the Golf. So the GT and also the GTI have the tartan style interiors. This one's in the grey and on black. The seats are in meticulous order, so they're lovely. The bolsters and the bases where they get worn are all in fantastic condition. We've got 2 keys, it's keyless on this one, so you just place them in the centre, press the start button. But looking around the car, we've got the carbon inserts on the door. This one has power folding heated electric door mirrors, we've got electric windows, we've got the aluminium pedal set there, and then the aluminium trim on the sill. So jumping in, we then have automatic headlamps, we have the wiper control, we have the lights, and then on the left hand side of the steering wheel we've got cruise control, we've got voice control, we've got GTD on the steering wheel, we've got automatic hold on the handbrake, the start button's there so it's, you don't put the key, we've got heated front seats, we've got dual zone climate control, 44,952 miles. And then coming through to the system now, we've got the touchscreen satellite navigation system, we've got the DAB radio, we've got the media player. Now that's in the glove box, so if you've got a CD you can still play that. We then have the SD card 1 and 2, all the books and the service documentation's there, Bluetooth phone, voice activation, touchscreen, SAT NAV we've seen, traffic monitor, so it'll give us all the traffic in the area where the car is, and then obviously the vehicle report, and then menu, so at Connect you can just slide through all of those with ease. Very nice. I don't smoke and I can tell this car has not been smoked in. It smells lovely and fresh. Passenger seat is in as good a condition, if not better than the driver's. centre armrest with storage facility, but a wonderful car with only 44,952 miles. Auto dim mirror as well. Yeah, there is absolutely nothing that would detract from the purchase of this car. You can come and view it in full confidence and without disappointment. So looking in the back again, the privacy glass is there, but the internal of this car is a credit to the previous keeper. No tears, marks, cigarette burns whatsoever in any of these seats. Nothing that really I can sort of say, oh look at this is, you know, consummate with a 16 plated car. Not at all. It is a wonderful 6-year-old car with minimal miles. 2 keys, book pack, so everything that was there when it was new is still there today, which in arguably the best colour of pure white, and riding on those fantastic bi-colour alloy wheels, which are all in super condition. So if you'd like to reserve this car, you can do with a £250 fully refundable deposit, and we'll get this car ready then, so you'll only have to come to Wigan once, at which point test drive it. Once you've approved it, you're happy with it, we'll do the documentation with the DVLA, you make your bank payment to us, and the car is all ready to go there and then. Your guarantees on it, everything. I'm Graham, there's Dom and there's Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Have a look on our reviews, have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers coming from all over the UK to collect cars from us. We are proud to announce yet again for the 8th year running, we have won highly recommended by car gurus and Auto Trader for customer service and care. We were the 2020 Auto Trader winner for digital, as what you're watching now. So if you'd like any more information, give us a call on 01942 231123. If you've got a part exchange, we'll give you a price over the phone. We can give you a finance quote over the phone. You can have, everything's easy, everything's fun. So, and as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.